guys, it's Linda and Brian from Faithful Fieldsh Homestead. It's been a while, but we're back.
Again?
Again. You know, things are going on, life happens, but we're back. Here we have our 25 meat chickens that we just got today. We got them in their little brooder with their food and water. So they'll be harvested in about 6 to 8 weeks to go to freezer camp. So we're down here at the goat pen. We have 2 females and our wether left over here. We sold a couple of our goats. And over here, just popped out of nowhere, is a beautiful squash plant. It did have some squash on it, and I think
It's got some flowers on there.
the goats, we're leaving it here because the goats eat the squash off of it. So how it got here, we can only imagine. But here it is, and it's growing wonderful. Oh. So here's the little babies, 2 twinsies. Let's see if we can tell what we got here. I'm probably gonna start crying. Oh. I think we got a little boy. It's okay, baby. It's okay. I know. He's a little boy. And then they're all walking over to Daddy. Okay. Uh-oh. Oh, we got 2 little boys, I think. If that's his weenie. 2 little boys. They're so pretty. They're so pretty. Okay, get down. So we got 2 little bucklings. Twinsies. There's Emily. She's such a big help on the farm. She's our biggest helper. She loves the farm. The farm. Yeah. So Brian's going down to feed the piggies, or potbelly piggies. And I want to show you here our newest project. I know it's huge. We got some trash in it right now, but Brian built this the other day. We are going to use this and have a nice family fire pit because now there's 7 of us again, and if Leanne comes home, there's 8 of us. So there's plenty of room. We're going to get some nice pretty chairs and sit around, and this will be our fire pit. So Emily says hi. On our farm, we're growing vegetables. Right here we have beans. What else? Carrots. I'm going to show them. So this is our beans coming up. I have pole beans, and then I also have bush beans. And Brian was not feeling good because they weren't popping up, and I said, you know, give them time, they'll all pop up at once. And this is what they've done. Okay, and over here, I'll probably have to be the last of these. These are our peas. I got a baggie full in the kitchen, so I'm gonna probably cook them up tonight for me and Emily, and my mom's probably the only one that'll eat the peas. And then we did have radishes, which I pulled out already. Not radishes, I'm sorry, beets. So I'm probably going to get them ready tonight and can them. And then over here is my kale. I love kale. Look at this. It's just splurging. And I'm probably going to wait till tomorrow because we have a farmer's market, I think, in town that we can go to. And I'm probably going to sell the kale and squash. Here we had potatoes that we've harvested already. We have about 15, 20 pounds of potatoes in the house. I probably won't can them because I still got a bunch of potatoes from last year. But we use a lot of potatoes, so they'll get used up. Over here in this mess that somebody stepped in, probably my oldest daughter, amongst the weeds is a bunch of carrots. So we're going to have to get in here with the tiller thingy, not the tiller, but the, I don't know what it's called, and get the carrots out. So guys, I also wanted to explain, we haven't been on in a couple months, 5-6 months, but between that time, we had Emily, who was our youngest, turned 16 years old, and then we also had our oldest, Eugene. He got married just this last Saturday to his wonderful girlfriend, Janae. So we had that going on. And then, like I said, just a lot of, stuff, life with the kids and with myself. So we're getting through all that. I just wanted to let you know, if you're suffering through anything, pain, depression, anxiety, I suffer through all them, and you need to get help, please get help. I am not afraid to say I go to therapy, and yes, I am on medicine. I might have to eventually get a hip replacement, but we'll get to that when we need to. But you could still do the things that you love and work on the farm. And even though my children are special needs, we teach them how to do stuff around the farm so that they can also help us. But if you suffer from anything, please don't give up. Please keep going. Anybody needs to talk, I'm always here, and I would be glad to talk with you. So next we're going to go see what's in the garden. Okay, so now we're down in the big garden. All we have planted here so far is squash, which you can see goes all the way down. We have a bunch of squash this year, but it's okay, I love it. Down there on the end is our cucumbers.
There's a couple squash plants.
And then we have peppers, tomatoes, some more squash up here. And then if you look around here, we have our green stalks, which I got, or Brian bought for me. So in this one we have lettuce and kale, some carrots, small carrots. Over here we have strawberries and herbs on the bottom. So we have a lot of work to do back here. Like I said, things have been a little rough, but we'll eventually get to it. We can't let it get us down. So this is what we got in our garden so far. So we'll catch up again with you soon. Hopefully we'll be able to put out more videos than we've been doing. We miss you guys. We love you all. Please hit the subscribe button. If you have any friends that like to subscribe, that would be awesome. And help us out, get our channel out there. And come back, hit the bell notification so you know when we do more videos. Thank you guys. We love you. Bye.